Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Harmony One price update. And the current price for Harmony One is at the $0.22 mark, and from the high that we made on 14th of January, the market is down by 41%. And on this chart, there are key supports and resistances that we are still watching. One is at the $0.15 mark, another one at the 0.122, a resistance at the 0.26. we also have another one on the $0.32 mark. For the last 2 days, the market has been on an uptrend, and this has been very positive for Harmony One. The market is up by 7.13%, and this support that we have on the $0.15 mark held us very well over here for a couple of times, about 3 times, and over here we almost made it to the $0.16 mark. Then we had a few consolidations, and then we broke out to the upper side of this trend line that we have over here. You can see it here. We broke to the upper side of this trend line that we have over here, and we also have an Elliott wave that is on this other side, having my wave 1, my wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4 to the peak that we made on 14th of January. Then from that point we have had a bit of ABC corrections on these other sides. Now that we are moving up in an uptrend, there are a few key scenarios that I expect to play out. And one of the key scenarios is that we can continue having higher prices and maybe reach this resistance that we have on the $0.26 mark, and from there we can then have a pullback to the downside. That is in case Bitcoin continues to has a sell off once more. That is in case Bitcoin has a sell off once more, and we can then reach this support that we have on the $0.15 mark. And if that support does not hold, I'll expect even lower prices for Harmony One. And if that case scenario happens, if we reach the $0.11 mark or the $0.13 mark where we have a key support, we can then build up to an all-time high, so we can break all these resistances that we have over here and make it to an all-time high. Also note that we can continue having higher prices and maybe reach this resistance that we have on the $0.26 mark and maybe break it. And once we have a breakout to the other side of that resistance, I will expect us to have a retest of the same zone. We have a retest of this zone over here, and then continue having higher prices and touch maybe the next resistance that we have on the $0.33 mark. So those are the key possible scenarios that I expect us to see on this price chart. So make sure that you continue watching these resistances and make sure that you don't chase a breakout, and that's not financial advice. So don't buy, hold, or sell any crypto without doing your own research. Also, looking on the volume chart, you can see we have a very high market volume, and that is what is driving the market to the upside. And also note that on the RSI we are in the overbought region, and now we have had a divergence to the upper side of the RSI. So that means that we have some very positive things on Harmony One. We can continue expecting higher prices, so let's be patient